friends, in this video I'm going to tell you what is the difference between post and pages in a WordPress website, right? Whenever you log in into the admin dashboard, right, there is two options available over here. The first one is of post, right? This you need to use whenever you want to publish an article or blog post which is more informational, having a good content length, right? So for information purpose you can simply add articles by using this post option, and here you can also go to the pages section if you want to create different pages for your website. For example, if you want to create a home page, you want to create a service page, product page, privacy policy page, contact us page, about us page, shopping page, cart page, checkout page, these all are pages. These are not posts, these are not articles, right? So you need to create these pages from the pages section, whereas if I talk about the post, then you can simply write articles or blog post in your niche, right? Whatever the niche your website relates to, you can simply write articles related to that particular niche. Apart from it, let me also show you with an example. For example, I'm just opening a website. So I have searched for Ayushman Healthcare Center Bikana on Google and I have clicked on this website. Okay, so this is a website, right? And if I talk about the home page, it's a page, right? If I talk about the about us, again it's a page. If I talk about the services, then again it's a page, right? And there are many more pages in it, like pediatric cardiology, cardiac surgery, emergency. These all are pages, right? Contact us is a page, FAQ is a page, blogs is a page again, right? And privacy policy is a page again. And when we go to the blogs, then that particular is a page, but under that page there are blog posts, right? Scrolling down to the home page, as you can see, again in the footer side also there are few pages mentioned over here. And if I go to the blogs page, then you can check out that there are few blogs written over here, right? So if I open this page, then it is a blog post, right? As you can see, an article is written over here, right? So it is a blog post, right? It's not a page. But if I open the contact us page, then it's simply a page, right? It is not an article. And if I go to the FAQ page again, then it's not an article, right? It's a page simply. And home page is also a page, about us is also a page. So this is the difference between a web page or a page of your WordPress website and the blog post. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about this topic, then I have mentioned my website's blog post link in the video description, that you can check it out. You can read that particular blog post to get more details about this topic. And if you want to learn digital marketing course from us, then also I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.